we are trying to get the car to dry off, or just getting the area to dry out. I've been doing this for about a half hour now. The car is pretty much dry, but the area around it, not so much. So we're just going to try and continue to give it another half hour, and we should be able to paint here in a little bit, I'm hoping. So we'll get started here in just a little bit. Alright, the car seems to be pretty dry. It's a little after 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Weather seems to be holding, so I am going to eat lunch, let it finish what it's doing, and then I'm going to come back and spray it. Well, I think we got it done. I'm thinking it looks pretty good. Nice shiny hood. There's a few, imperfections, such as, water drops and some other stuff that, I just don't have. I mean, it's not as bad as it used to be, but it looks really good. I'm actually pleased with the outcome. Now, whether or not it matches, that's a different story. And it should match into the doors because I blended into the doors and into the roof panel there. But the real test is when I take this off and I see the difference between the hood and the fender. So, but all in all, it looks pretty good. I'm actually very pleased with it. Not bad for painting underneath an awning. 2 awnings, that is. So we'll untape it here in just a minute. Here we go. I think it looks pretty good. I think we got a fairly decent max as far as the paint is concerned. I'm quite pleased with it. I'll know more in the morning, I guess. But out here in the sunshine, it looks really, really good. I'm very, very pleased. Areas where we fixed look pretty good. I don't see too much going on there. And the door looks pretty good. Got rid of the scratches and got rid of the little ding in the door. Nice and shiny. I love the smell of new paint. It smells really good. And we didn't get too much overspray on stuff. Doesn't look too bad. We got a little overspray down there on the radiator, but not bad for being outside. And under 2 tarps. Take those down and wash them off. Now that we're done, we can put them away. All in all, I'm very pleased with it. I think it came out looking pretty good. All right, the next step will be to start putting everything back on it, like taillights and headlights and front grille and door handles. And we'll probably do that, I don't know, we might do it tomorrow or the next day. All depends. It doesn't look like I have too much, detail work to do. The paint itself looks really good. It's nice and smooth. Let's see if we can get a nice clear shot of the shine down the side there. It's a little dry spray on the quarter panel, but I can get rid of that. That's not a problem. And I'll explain what dry spray is later. But all in all, nice and smooth. The only problem is little water droplets from the fact that it's so humid outside, and I don't have a super duper dryer on my airline. But we don't have any kamikazes in the paint, which I am absolutely thrilled to death. And for those of you that don't know what kamikazes are, they're the little bugs that commit suicide against your brand new paint when you're painting outside. And I am just tickled to pink that I did not see any kamikazes on the paint at all. I am really pleased with that. That makes me happy. All in all, looks good. All right, next step will be putting door handles and headlights and taillights and detail work. Woohoo!